Jai Swaminarayan. My hearty welcome to one and all present here. Myself Shruti Rathod from class 7 with my friend Chalini Gudani from class 8 going to wish you all many happy greetings of the International Sports Day. This event is going to fill every one of us with oodles of power, self-confidence and of course winning spirit.
Sometimes it only takes one good song to bring back thousands of good old memories. So here I welcome the choir for chanting the prayer.
Always have this type of habit to show awareness towards our society. So here is my friend Hani Desai to enlighten us with news.
Good morning everyone. Myself Hani Desai from class 8B. Sports news. India finishes 48 best in 4 decades. 33 in terms of overall India's won. India's come to 78 all out against England in third test while succumbed to pressure in the big stage. 23 years old boy from Haryana's Panipat district released and revealed the moment. The India's golden boy Neeraj Chopra caps in best ever country performance. Thank you.
Thank you Hani to update us.
Now I would like to call Siddhi from class 8A for the quote.
Good morning everyone. Myself Siddhi Lal from class 8A. I am here to tell a famous quote by Sachin Tendulkar. When people throw stones at you, you have to turn them into a milestone. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddhi.
Sports improve competence, brings a high level of brilliance. 2020 Summer Olympics, officially the Games of Olympiad, branded as Tokyo 2020, was an international multi-sport event in Tokyo, Japan. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal for India in this Olympic. So I would like to request Mayak Shea to tell us more about Neeraj Chopra.
Myself Shreya Narendra Mayak. Today I am going to tell you something about Neeraj Chopra. He was born on 24 December 1997 in Panipat. His height is 1.82 meters. His personal best was an 88.07 meter. His parents are Saradevi and Satish Kumar. Neeraj Chopra got Viseshta Seva Medal, is an Indian track and field athlete who competed in the javelin throw. As of 11 August 2021, he was ranked by the world number 2nd by the World Athletic Organization. A junior commission officer in the Indian Army, Chopra is the first to track and field athlete to win a gold medal for India at the Olympics. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. On this special occasion, I would like to request Principal Sir to share his views with us.
Respected Swamiji, Ghanshyam Prakash Das Shastri, Trustee Mr. Nipun Sir, teachers, parents, and my beloved children. many greetings and a happy Janmashtami to you all in advance. Students, in the coming 2 days we are celebrating two important days. That is, first is 29th August, that is National Sports Day, and 30th, that is Janmashtami. So I want to share you something about the National Sports Day. As we know that sports is very important for anyone's life because it controls our mental and physical strength. And I believe that one should play any one sport in their life. So by that they can increase their physical and mental strength. Students, as you know that why this national sports declared in India, especially on 29th August, because of Major Dhyan Chand birthday. We celebrate his birthday to commemorate Mr. Dhyan Chand, and we know that he was the hockey wizard. Wizard means he was the magician. In his tenure, India won 3 consecutive gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. And in total career, he scored 400 goals international and 1000 goals all over his career in 22 years. At very early stage, he has joined Indian Army, and after that he started playing hockey for Indian team. And because of that, government has declared this National Sports Day in 2012. And when this government, so they have declared even Fit India movement, they conducted campaigns also to give the importance or to motivate the students or the citizen for the sports. So I want to congratulate all the sports lovers across the country, and I hope the sportsman and sportsmanship will shine in our society. So thank you with this. Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir.
Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player, widely regarded as one of the greatest personalities in the history of the sport. So here is my friend Suhani to tell us about Major Dhyan Chand.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम सुहानी है। मैं कक्षा 6 में पढ़ती हूँ। दोस्तों, आज 29 अगस्त है, अर्थात यह दिन राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। करके ऊंचा नाम राष्ट्रीय का वो भारत रत्न बन पाया, अपनी हॉकी स्टिक के करतबों से वह जादूगर कहलाया। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज मैं आप सबको हॉकी के जादूगर मेजर ध्यानचंद के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। मेजर ध्यानचंद को हॉकी के जादूगर के बारे में कहा जाता है। उनके असाधारण योगदान के लिए भारत सरकार ने उन्हें 1956 में पद्म भूषण से नवाजा। वे नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स के मुख्य कोच के रूप में सेवानिवृत्त हुए। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Suhani.
Now let's watch the budding sports star of future from SIC.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं हिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं हिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Now I would like to request Mahi Dashwani from class 8 for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always worthy of it. I shall always respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity. Thank you.
Thank you, Mami.
It is the prime responsibility of every citizen